Hey guys, welcome back to a new video from Upstate Garage, and in today's video we're going to be doing some body work and prepping this thing for paint. We're doing a full respray on it, so if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, hype the video, like it up. But we're doing a full respray on it professionally, gems and everything. First step, we got to jack it up, take the bumper off. Front bumper's already off. I already started some body work on it, and then fix up little things on the car. We do have a new door right there. We're going to make this thing show car quality. All right, here we're starting off with the rear bumper. Got to remove a bunch of clips, a couple screws. Damn, they're metal? All right, now we got to pull out these screws. They hold this trim piece on, a bunch of them just all across here. And then for this window, we got to open up the window and then get them from the inside, which is going to be a little difficult, but I think we can manage to do it. So let's go.
Oh, is there one more? Oh shoot, there's one more right there. Oh, wiggle. Is there any more? I feel like there's another one or something. Oh no, it's coming out. Heck yeah. All right.
Sweet, we got this thing out. Time to introduce you to today's sponsor, Licensed Car Chargers. It's the cheapest one on the market on Amazon. This is your perfect everyday charger. It's got the Type-C, it's got the lightning jack, retractable so wires aren't in the way. It's got a bend, you can bend it into place, whether you got a trap phone or a legit phone. And it's got a USB and a Type-C just for extra charging. So guys, be sure to click the link in my bio, get yourself a charger, get it as a gift. It's April, Mother's Day gift, whatever you need, and use this code right here to save 15% at checkout. Thank you again for Licensed for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back at it.
Oh yeah, way better.
Heck yeah.
All right guys, it's another day at the shop, and check it out. I got a little canopy set up because you're not supposed to be doing body work in the direct sunlight. And pretty much right now, it's time to sand it down a little bit with 80 grit so the Bondo has something to grab on. Well, body filler, I should say. I'm not using Bondo. Apply a little thin coat and lightly block it out, and it should be good to go. So today we're gonna shoot some primer on it. All right, guys, the grind don't stop. Late night, got the flashlights, got that done. About to shoot some primer on it. Roof is pretty much prepped, about to tape it up, shoot some primer, and I'll show you guys how it looks in the morning. I'm about to be using this epoxy primer right here. Pretty much just mix it up 1-to-1 with the activator, and then start shooting it on the car. All right, guys, got the body of the car primered up. Signing out, catch y'all tomorrow. All right, guys, signing back in from last night. The car's ready to go. Check it out. Everything is primed up. The roof right here is all ready to go. All the body work on the actual body of the car is ready, and we hit it with some epoxy primer. So we're gonna let it dry for a couple days. That way it doesn't sink through when we sand it. This side as well, got this quarter panel knocked out. All that's left is to let it dry, block it out real nicely. Then today we're gonna finish it up by getting the fenders, the doors ready, and the front bumper. Next week we're gonna start the paint process, so stay tuned for that.
Hey.
All right, and to end things off, we're actually disassembling the doors, getting them ready for paint. Tim over there is burnt. Bro, it's fried. You good?
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Bro, you're fried, chat. And there's a tiny dent right here on this door, which a light coat of finishing putty did the trick. Dude, you need to put a shirt on. You're cooked. Or you're getting cooked. Holy moly. Bro, you're cooked.
I don't know what to do.
What are you doing with the knife?
It says you need something flat and chick, but I don't know how to.
You got all the bolts up for sure?
Yeah,
This
it was
too?
5.
Oh shoot. What are those?
Они сперва не выпали, теперь они
Alright,
выпадают.
and then what?
And then disconnect the wire.
Got that. Man, see, this is what I don't understand. This is aftermarket speaker system.
Some bullshit going on in there.
I don't. Look, it's glued on. There's no. I think we're. What is?
Hold on, bro. Let me put a shirt on, bro. It's getting too hot for this.
Dang, and a black shirt, so you're cooked regardless. What's the UV looking like right now?
Shoot, looking like 25 or something like that.
While he's doing that one over there, I stored this one right over here on the shelf just so it doesn't get damaged or lost or scratched or anything. And same as that one. All right, and then this is the tab. Oh, there it goes. All right, that should be it for the mirror. There it goes. All right, this mirror is off right now, and probably we're gonna paint it by turning it. And then so we can, come on, baby. Why isn't it going? Oh, like that. That way we get access to all the cracks and crannies. That way it's gonna be a proper paint job. And then for this, I think it just pops right off. That's it. Perfect paint job like this. This one's coming off. I just popped that one up. Panel's off. Now we can get that mirror. Oh dang, it bent a little bit. It should bend right back though. Gotta be very careful. These are black specific for the M3s. And with this one, I don't even know how it goes. I think it's double-sided tape, so we gotta be extra careful when taking this piece off. And I don't want to risk breaking these. Sweet. All intact, all the clips are still good. Let's go. Sweet. All right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Me and Timmy already put in the hard work today. Got all the body work knocked out. Everything's primed. The front bumper's primed. It's ready to go. So in the next video, we're gonna sand it, prep it, and hopefully shoot some paint on it. And y'all guys will see the results. So I'm really excited. And if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.